Welcome retro fans, I'm Simon. I've got another electronic game video today. We've got Munchman. If you're wondering where all my computer videos are, don't worry, I've got another one in the pipeline. However, I'm waiting for parts, so that video's part made, but hopefully I'll have some content for you coming up shortly. But Munchman, it's once again, it's one of my games that I've had since childhood. But let's have a look at it. Let's get it unboxed and hopefully let's play it. So here we have Munchman in its box, labelled as Grandstand, as a people marketing it. However, when you look at the side there, it's also got Tommy, another toy manufacturer, copyright 1981. But interestingly, or at least interestingly for me anyway, it's all got copyright NAMCO, which, as you're probably aware, is the company who owns the Pac-Man brand. So it's almost a fully licensed product, I guess. Well, I'm sure it is, but strange how they didn't use the Pac-Man name, because it's quite clearly a Pac-Man game. I'll just show you the rest of the box. I really do love this on so many levels. I love the design of it, and I can't wait to get out of the box and show you. I don't know the sides. I think so. Let's have a look at the back. Yeah, just look at that. I think it just looks absolutely awesome. Let's get it open and let's have a look at it. Look at that. Doesn't that just look brilliant? Well, I think so. We've got some instructions too. Just show those for those that want to see them. Let's pause it and have a look at it in your own time. But it's not a complicated game, is it? I think we've all an idea how to play it. Right, let's move my stuff out of the way. So yeah, this is mine, and it's showing a bit of sign of wear. The lettered, the white paint, the white ink on the controls have worn up a bit. We've got an on and off switch. We've got an amateur and pro mode. Switches still feel really good. The display, the case in the front, there's a few scratches here and there, but nothing I don't think that's going to diminish from it. And if we have a look at the rear, not much going on other than the battery compartment, which I have some batteries lined up. The contacts themselves, if you can see in there, there's a little bit of tarnishing in places, but nothing that causes any concern. It's certainly not had any batteries left in it for any length of time. Let's get these loaded up. Amazon Basics. Right. So here she is in all her glory, new batteries in. Let's turn on the juice. I remember that tune like it was yesterday. It's clearly working. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to try turn the light down so it's hopefully a little bit more visible. How's that? I can see the screen refresh is ever present. There's nothing I can do about that, I'm afraid, unfortunately. It is what it is. But the vacuum fluorescent display looks as good as what I remember it. So let's get started before we get eaten. So the one thing I do remember about this is you can only eat the dots if you're going forward. For example, I've got one behind me. Doesn't eat it unless I'm going forwards, which takes a little bit of getting used to. And let's get the cherry. So the power pills here are the stars. Right, we've got one ghost. The other one ran off. We'll leave him because we've run out of time. Missed the cherries. Right, I want to get along the top. There we go. Let's make a run for it. Still got 3 lives. Right, I'll show you what happens if we die. So that's the thing if you die. Died again. Let's die one more time and let's try the pro mode. Right. So what I'll do is I'll just zoom in so you've got a better look at the display. Set to Pro, and I believe in Pro mode you get an extra ghost. Yeah, so there's now 3 ghosts to contend with. And once you eat a power pill, the ghosts don't come out of the house, just like the Pac-Man arcade machine, I suppose. Oh, nearly died there. Let's just see if I have the skill to clear this level. Remember, we can only eat them going forwards. Yes, that's another level done. And I think you keep playing like that until you hit the maximum score. I think. I'm not entirely certain. But you get the idea. Let's see if we can have 2. Yeah, got 2. I just think this is a really, really good effort. I love the vacuum fluorescent display. I think it's brilliant. I think it's quirky how you have to go forward over the dots. You can't reverse over them, but hey ho. I suppose at the end of the day, he's always facing to the left, isn't he? So would he be able to eat dots going backwards? They do a good job of running off. Oh, so we'll have the cherries as well. Eating me. I'll just see if I can get a nice close-up of the display for you. Eaten. End of game. The only way to restart it was to turn it off and back on again. Strangely enough, you couldn't actually start it once you'd finished a game. But that's it. That's Pac-Man. That's 1981. I hope you really enjoyed it. I just think it's awesome. Thanks for watching. If you got to the end, a thumbs up would be great. Thanks again, and see you in another one soon.